Here's updated LOCKET widget app, which was just released, version 1.8.1. So just download it. And this in this version, there are a lot of new features. For example, it's now easy to change your name, update your phone number finally, and deactivate your account. You can now add special widgets for your best friend and significant others so they can have their own spot. So yeah, it's a bit of a redesign of the LOCKET widget app. So you can just tap to open it up like here, and let's just go through it quickly for you to understand. So here's normal LOCKET widget app. So you can just take a photo and then you can just send it to your friends. And then this widget will just appear here on your home screen. So to add a widget, just tap and hold, and then you will see apps jiggling, and then you can just search for widget like LOCKET. You can see one friend. There is best friend widget, there is crush widget, there is big widget. So these are updates. And then you can just add this widget as I did, and you can tap on add it, and then you will be able to pick a friend and select from either groups or some specific person, or from some travels or from some other groups, and something like that. And then you will be able to use that, and you will see pictures either from one of your specific friends, from groups of people which you can create, or there is a new feature where again you can add a crush widget or your best friend widget. So for example, just search for LOCKET, and then I can add best friend. It's a separate widget, and then I can tap and edit widget and pick one specific friend. So I don't know what's the feature, but yeah, you can just add one specific widget for your friend, and then you can also add a crush widget, add like that, and that will be widget from your crush. So just to see yeah, how it works. So that's basically the idea. Yeah, so that's how it's working. That's a new update. Then okay, let's go through the LOCKET app itself, and you will see some cool new features in the menu. In the top right, there is your menu, and first you can just tap edit info, and by doing that you can edit your name. So that's a lot of users ask that feature. Before it wasn't possible to edit your name, you needed to edit your name on the iPhone and stuff like that. And then you can just do that. You can also tap change phone number here. Yeah, just easily in general setting you can just tap to change phone number. Then there is like a try new features early form which you can fill in, and then you will try out new features and you will get invited to the test flight. You can also easily delete account here, or you can sign out in there. So that's basically the idea. And then in top left you can create all these different LOCKETs. These are basically your groups of people which you can create. So you can add up to 20 contacts, and from those 20 contacts there can be your best friend, your crush, your friends, your colleagues, your travel colleagues, and then you just organize them in all these different groups, and you can create separate widgets for all of these groups of people. So that's called to create a new LOCKET. Here there is some bug, so I just want to add it, and then it requires me to add it from here, that the widget should be exactly on my home screen, not on some other screens. So that's a bit annoying. And then there are still some bugs, maybe because I'm using test flight version. So yeah, if you want to get some new features early in the LOCKET widget, you need to fill out that form in the settings, and then yeah, try new features early, fill it out, just leave your TikTok handle, create few TikTok videos about LOCKET widget, and then you will get access to test flight where they release new features quite often. So like Overall, Locket Widget was just developed by a single developer or a small team, but as I understand, recently they raised quite a big funding round, so probably they will grow their development team and they will add more and more new features. So probably this app will be updated more constantly and with more exciting features soon. Anyhow, that's what it is. And then, yeah, you have all these official links. You can share your videos about Locket and tag them. You can share feedback, get help officially. Yeah, probably this team has some bigger support team or stuff like that. So yeah, that's the app. Hope it is helpful.